The internet has revolutionized how we work. Pakistan is no exception. More and more Pakistanis are turning to online platforms to earn money. This shift is driven by several factors. The increasing availability of affordable internet access is key. The desire for flexible work arrangements also plays a role. Online earning offers a path to financial independence. It provides opportunities for skill development and entrepreneurship. Freelancing has become incredibly popular in Pakistan, offering a new way to work. It allows individuals to leverage their unique skills and earn income independently, without the constraints of a traditional job. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients worldwide, opening up a global marketplace. There are many freelancing opportunities available, catering to a wide range of skills and expertise. Popular niches include web development, content writing, graphic design, and virtual assistants, among others. To succeed as a freelancer, you need a strong portfolio that showcases your best work. Effective communication is crucial for building client relationships. Delivering high-quality work consistently is essential to maintaining a good reputation and securing repeat business. The beauty of freelancing lies in its flexibility, allowing you to work from anywhere, whether it's a cozy home office or a bustling cafe. You're your own boss, making decisions that best suit your lifestyle and goals. You set your own rates, ensuring that your work is valued appropriately. You choose projects that align with your skills and interests, giving you control over your career path. It's an empowering way to earn money online, providing both financial independence and personal satisfaction. Do you have a passion you love to share? Blogging might be the perfect avenue for you. A blog can be monetized in several ways. Advertising is one option. Affiliate marketing is another. Selling your own products or services is also possible. The key to successful blogging is choosing the right niche. Focus on something you are passionate about and that has a large audience. Create high-quality content that provides value to your readers. Engage with your audience through comments and social media. Consistency is key. Regularly posting fresh content keeps your audience engaged. Section 4. Lights, camera, income making money on YouTube. YouTube has become a global phenomenon. It's not just a platform for entertainment, it's a powerful tool for education, information, and income generation. Pakistanis are increasingly using YouTube to share their talents and earn money. The key to success on YouTube is creating engaging video content. Identify your niche. Whether it's cooking, comedy, education, or something else entirely, find your passion. Invest in good equipment. Clear audio and high-quality video are essential. Promote your channel. Share your videos on social media and engage with your viewers. Section 5. E-commerce, from clicks to cash. The digital revolution has transformed the way we shop and do business. E-commerce is booming in Pakistan, with more people turning to online platforms for their shopping needs. Platforms like Daraz and Shopify have made it easier than ever to set up online stores and sell products, reaching a wider audience. The first step is to identify a market need. Conduct thorough research to understand what consumers are looking for. What products are in demand? Next, source your products from reliable suppliers. Ensure they are of good quality and competitively priced. This will help you stand out in a crowded market. Creating an attractive and user-friendly online store is essential. Your website should be easy to navigate. High-quality product photos are a must. Provide detailed product descriptions. Offer secure payment options to build trust. Marketing is key. Utilize social media, paid advertising, and search engine optimization to drive traffic to your store. Engage with your audience regularly. Section 6. Beyond the horizon. More online earning avenues in Pakistan. Beyond these popular methods, numerous other avenues exist for online earning in Pakistan. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, offering new opportunities for those willing to explore. Affiliate marketing is a lucrative option. By partnering with businesses, you can promote their products or services on your website or social media channels. This allows you to earn a commission for every sale generated through your unique affiliate link, making it a great way to monetize your online presence. The more effective your marketing, the higher your potential earnings. Digital products offer another income stream. These can include ebooks, courses, templates, or stock photos. Creating and selling digital products allows you to leverage your expertise and creativity. Online tutoring is in high demand. With the rise of remote learning, More students are seeking personalized instruction. Share your knowledge and expertise by offering online tutoring services in your chosen field. This can be a rewarding way to help others while earning an income. Pakistan's online earning landscape is diverse and dynamic. There are countless opportunities for those who are dedicated and willing to put in the effort. With dedication, hard work, and the right approach, you can find a path to online success that aligns with your skills and aspirations. The key is to stay informed and adaptable in this ever-changing digital world.